Did you know that you can use just one image to help yourself transform your body and your mind? Hi everybody, this is Jane here from Authentic Energy, your transformation coach. I'm here with amazing Simon. Simon is an amazing photographer, and Simon, would you like to share with us how you can just use one image to create that transformation for yourself?
Thank you for the kind introduction. So hi, I'm Simon. I'm from a photographer from Germany, and now I'm in Canada. And
What's your website?
and the website is sichentwickeln.de.
Okay, I'll put it here. Go and follow Simon here.
Yes, it's still in German, and there I talk about like my adventure and everything that helps me to develop myself with my different kind of mindsets. And I will bring up like methods how you can use like cognitive psychology, like with in photography ways to change your perspective on your environment and yourself, so that you see positive things about yourself and the environment, and that helps you with pretty much everything.
I love it. I love how you say that you can use it to change your environment and also your energy.
Yes.
And your energy and environment are so important, right? They're actually
It is.
They're actually linked together.
Yeah.
So we need to actually work on both. Work on the environment to change the energy.
Yes.
And work on our energy to change the environment.
Yeah, everything is connected. Relationships, what you do, like what you work, what your personal things, everything's connected with your mood and your energy that you have in yourself.
Exactly. So Simon, can you give us one example? Because right now I know that we're working together on our next body transformation, right?
Yeah.
And I know that you're on a nutrition program, you're
Yes.
working for your own body transformation as
Yes.
well. What is the image? What is the image that you have created for yourself to help yourself get that transformation? Just an example so everybody get a taste of it.
The image of myself. Well, I see myself with another perspective in the case of. Yeah.
Is it like an image that you have visualized, or is it like a particular photograph that you have?
This is, for example, more like a moving image. Like when I got to morning, like I got running, and during running, I visualized different kind of pictures that got like a movie flashing in my head. So I use these pictures are imagined, but I use my photography knowledge how to create these images to affect myself, so I see myself better. So you need to have like the basement to what affects you most, and then you can put it also like with your imagination. You don't have then to have a picture for it, but a manifested picture like that you can see helps you also.
Got you.
Yes.
So it's like visualization 2.0, right?
Yes.
Right? Because a lot of times when we visualize in our head, or like when we close our eyes,
Yes.
we visualize some image that we know, right? And this is about like what's beyond
Yes.
what you already know.
Yes.
And that is actually Simon's job. So
Yes.
Simon's going to launch this amazing program. It's called the Photography Therapy. All right, stay tuned for Simon's photography therapy session or a program. Because it doesn't have to be
Yes.
just in person, right? You can
Yes.
also do the same thing online. And from there, Simon will actually walk you through steps how he can actually help you create that 2.0 visualization,
Yes.
and then use that 2.0 visualization to help you create the transformation, right? So that's
Right.
really good. Yeah, and I look forward to your transformation, and share with me that 2.0 beyond imagination image with me as well. So just in 2 months' time, I think in 2 months, Simon will be in a lot better shape and better energy, everything better as well.
Oh, yes.
So yeah, great. Thank you so much, Simon. And
you.
I hope you guys got a lot of values out of today's episode. And just remember that there's so many tools out there to help yourself create that transformation. And here we're always talking about mindset and also strategy. Right? 80% mindset and 20% strategy. And the strategy here, we always emphasize on nutrition and fitness, and also, mindset training. Mindset
Yes.
is 100%. So it's not always about just the strategies, the tools. There's so many tools. Like today we learned about using the image, the photography image, as one of the tools to help us. But most of the time, I mean, most importantly, it comes down to having that right mindset, which is why you have to go and find yourself a coach to help you with the mindset, right? And you're looking at two really good coaches here right now. If you don't know where to look for them.
Yes. And you can combine us very good, because that's what I'm doing. I now using my imaginations with my sport, so I connect the sport with my visualization. I feel like I'm running into like my vision to get the flashes, like with an action film in my head, but I feeling also with my body, like the strength that I have that fills my inner picture also with emotions, with my body. So it's straightforward.
Moving pictures.
There coming a lot of things you can do.
I love that. Excellent. Okay, thank you so much, Simon. All right, we're gonna go and create our own moving pictures now, which is what we're doing here right now, right? So if you like today's episode, make sure you comment and share. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay, because this year we're dedicated to making daily videos to inspire you to have that body and mind transformation.